Hello and welcome to the CAPS 2 Library tutorial on finding and evaluating secondary literature. My name is Teresa Lee. I'm the Pharmacy Liaison Librarian. And before we get started, I'd like us to define secondary literature. So I'll give you a moment to think about how you would define that term. If primary literature consists of the results of original research, for example, in the form of a randomized control trial, then secondary literature can be defined as literature that synthesizes and summarizes primary literature, for example, in the form of a review article. This tutorial today consists of the following sections: a short introduction and sections 1 through 4. Sections 1 to 3 are online, and each section consists of about 20 minutes. For section 4, I'll provide readings, and you can refer to the handout to see what the content of these readings are. Section 1 will consist of a review of searching for the primary literature in Ovid Embase. This will be a review of some of the content that we covered last year in the CAPS 1 tutorial. In section 2, we'll look at sources for finding review articles, systematic reviews, and meta-analyses. In section 3, we'll look at sources for finding clinical practice guidelines. This tutorial covers the following databases. As you can see, some of the databases are marked in red. These are databases that are freely searchable online, although free full text may not necessarily be the case. In some cases, there will be free full text. In other cases, you may have to go into the library subscriptions to find full text for sources that are mentioned in these databases highlighted in red. Before we start our search in Embase, I'll give you a clinical scenario. MJ is a 40-year-old alcohol-dependent female. She has been a moderate smoker for 23 years. She's now in alcohol counseling and wants to quit smoking. I'll give you a minute to think about a focused clinical question for this topic. Maybe your question was something along the lines of, in a 40-year-old female with alcohol dependence, which of these current therapeutic options, nicotine replacement therapy, bupropion, varenicline, is the most efficacious and safe for achieving and maintaining smoking cessation? We're going to take this question now into Embase. This concludes the introductory module of the online tutorials. Please continue to section 1. Thank you.